Let us celebrate with gratitude in our hearts, smiles on our faces, and hope for the future of the Marian community. Thank you, and may you all have a wonderful and memorable evening. This is your outgoing President, Joel G. Lamang, officially signing off. Mabuhay ang Kakaisang Mayans, mabuhay ang SMUSDS-EAI. Thank you very much.
Hirap hanapin yung table na batch 71. Sabi kaya nagpapahinga muna ako dito sa may entrance. Dahil may dala-dala akong dalawang red wine. Hirap lumakad. Hirap yung marupok na yung paa ko. Kaya dito muna.